In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho People. Once you are signed in to Zoho People, you can think of the setup in 4 practical areas: your employee directory, daily attendance, leave balances, and workflow automation. I will walk you through each one so you know exactly where to click and what each section is used for. Start by going to Organization, then Employee. This is where you add new staff members and manage existing employee records. When you open the employee area, you can create profiles, update details, and keep your directory accurate. Take your time here because this information often feeds into other parts of Zoho People, like attendance and leave. A helpful tip is to stay consistent with how you enter names, departments, and job titles, since consistency makes searching and reporting much easier later. Next, click Attendance, then List View. This screen is designed to help you monitor daily attendance logs in one place. In List View, you can review who checked in, who checked out, and whether there are any missing or unusual entries that need attention. This is especially useful for quickly confirming a day's activity without opening individual employee profiles. As you review logs, look for patterns like incomplete check-ins, because those are easier to resolve when you catch them early. After that, go to Leave Tracker, then Settings, then Entitlement. This is the area where you adjust leave balances and set up how much leave employees are entitled to. Entitlements determine what people can request and how balances change over time, so it is important to align this with your company's leave policy. When you make adjustments, double-check that the balances look correct for the right employees or groups, so requests and approvals stay accurate going forward. Finally, open Settings, then Automation, then Workflows. Workflows help you set up automatic alerts and actions, so Zoho People can notify the right people when something happens, like an attendance exception or a leave request submission. Setting up workflows reduces manual follow-ups and keeps processes consistent. After you configure a workflow, review the trigger and the alert recipients carefully to make sure notifications go to the correct roles or users. That covers everything you need to know.